discussion here. Let's talk about, affiliate marketing.
Yeah, hey, this is what it's all about.
Let's
You know
talk
what I
about
mean?
affiliate marketing.
What it's all
Affiliate
about.
marketing is pretty much a great vehicle to get into, especially this time right now, right, Rich? What's going on with the economy and everything? Affiliate marketing is where it's at. It's going to be your saving grace when you actually put some effort into it, and it will pay you, and you will not have to work for another boss ever again. Once you get the hang of it.
Exactly. I mean, don't you just love having like a live stream about affiliate marketing?
I'm right over here, Rich. Don't look over there. I'm right over
No,
here.
you're here, you're there, you're like everywhere, right?
Yeah, exactly. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, people are like just now finding out about it. So if you guys got questions about, what to do with affiliate marketing, guys, you're in the right place. You're on the hot seat.
Well,
You can
a
ask
lot of
us.
people have lost their jobs since
Yes.
the pandemic. So a lot more people are coming online trying to figure out a way to supplement their
Yeah,
income
I know.
or try to replace the income that they lost, because they're seeing people get results online. They're seeing people, create lifestyles, and they're like, well, is that possible for me? Can I do that? And the answer is yes.
Yes, if these people who actually walked before you can actually do it, so can you. There should be no excuse, right?
Right. You just have to walk the path, right? You have to
Exactly.
walk the path, learn the skill sets, and learn how to get those results. Once you learn how to get your first result, guys,
Yes.
that's all it takes. Because once you get your first result, all you have to do is multiply what you've done.
Exactly.
Just keep doing what you're doing, multiply it.
Yes.
That's it.
And you got to follow the right people, with the right mindset. That's important. People who are actually, on the right path to success.
Oh yeah.
They're studying, they're reading, they're doing the do, they're like being consistent. These are people you want to follow, and follow their guide, like what they're doing. Like watch what they do versus what they say.
I always
You
say
know what
that.
I mean?
I always say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they'll tell you to do stuff and
Don't
just to
listen
keep you
to what
busy.
they do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, there are gurus out there that just like tell you to do stuff to keep you busy
The
while they're doing
gurus.
other things that's totally opposite of the shit that they're telling you about.
Isn't that amazing? That's so amazing.
Yeah,
You
we
know?
don't do that.
Yeah.
We definitely don't do it. We share everything. Like that's why we have our inner circle, because our inner circle is so valuable. It basically goes into a membership, but it's access to what Ace and Rich is doing in their current business. Like we open
Yeah.
up our back office, we show our
Yes.
tools, we show everything, right?
And currently we're actually training on a series of understanding live streaming.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
it's pretty cool what we've been going through,
Yeah.
and teaching in detail, like what software you can use. I'm going to be going into more online platforms pretty
Yeah.
soon, because I've done the software, because the software is just what you download to your computer, and then you can actually go live stream that
There's
way.
so many cool tools out there with
Yeah.
live streaming
Yeah.
and the stuff that you're sharing right now on the inner circle. People are just, I don't think they understand it, or maybe they underestimate it, the information that you're sharing, because people don't teach that stuff that you're teaching. You know what I mean?
No, they love it. They love it, which is cool.
Yeah.